I know that some of us don't have reasons to be proud of Nigeria, but there are reasons to be proud of Nigeria. And once again, Nigeria has made us proud. Nigerian military, they made us proud. Few days ago, you saw when many bloggers, which I also did, shared about the coup plot that happened in Benin Republic, the military overthrow. You know what happened? Do you know why that coup plot was aborted? Do you know why it wasn't successful? Because of Nigeria. I know you didn't know about this because international media will never tell you this. They wouldn't want you to be proud of Nigeria. The Benin Republic government called on Nigerian government to please come and help them. Nigeria sent military fighter jets immediately to Benin Republic. They deployed fighter jets to Benin Republic and they helped to restore back their democracy. You didn't hear about this, but I'm telling you this for free. When the airstrike they succeeded, they asked for military boost on ground. Nigeria sent our military on ground, our foot soldiers. They went inside Benin Republic, guns ablazing. They neutralized the coup plotters. They pied a lot of them, captured some, while some fled. Some were able to escape. But that coup was aborted because of the might of the Nigerian military in Benin Republic. Led for the Benin Republic military alone, they wouldn't have done it. Because as reports have it, those coup plotters did their homework thoroughly. And they were prepared, they were well equipped. But Nigerian military neutralized them and brought back democracy in Benin Republic. So all I will say is kudos to Nigerian military. This shows that they can actually work when they are meant to work, when they are ready to work, when they are determined to work. All I ask is for the Nigerian military to use the same might and the same strategy to neutralize all the insurgencies, all the problems facing us in the country with the terrorists and the so-called bandits. Nigerian military did it in the Gambia, they did it in Liberia, they did it in Sierra Leone. We are proud of them. They made us proud this time around. Thank you, dear President Tinubu. Thank you, our military. Thank you. Well done, guys. You did us proud. Ciao.